how to activate Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to activate Yahoo Mail. To get started, firstly go to any browser you have and search for www.yahoo.com. After that, this type of interface will be appeared on your screen. Now tap on the sign in button in the upper right corner and enter your username or mobile number that is linked to your account. After entering your mobile number, tap on next button and again enter the name you used to create your account. Finally, tap on next button and again press on send code button. And a 6-digit code will be sent to your mobile number that is linked to your account. Enter the 6-digit code and tap on verify. Press on your account and that's it. You have easily activated your Yahoo Mail. I hope you understood this and is able to activate your Yahoo Mail. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel to get the more informative contents like this. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.